Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install IPA files on your iPhone for free without getting the revoke message. Now before you start, you need to go to your settings and then general, and now scroll down till you see background app refresh and make sure that it is on. So if I tap on background app refresh, make sure it's set to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Okay, now let's go back and you want to open your browser and go to this website, that's injectapp.org. Okay, now in the search field here in the website, search for IPA. Okay, what we want to choose is the very top one, which is the IPA loader. Tap on it, and then once you tap on start injection here, it'll start installing the app. Once it does, you will see it on your home screen, and once you open it, you should be able to load up IPA files, which are the app installation files for iPhone, and install them successfully on your iPhone without worrying about being revoked or rejected by the phone.